Hi guys, Ashley with Disney Toy Box here. Today we're opening up Frozen surprise baggies. You can get one of 4 characters in this. We get an Olaf, an Elsa, hi Elsa, an Anna, or Kristoff. I can't wait to get an Olaf. Now I can hear something, but I can't tell what it is. So I can't wait to open up these and our giant Frozen surprise egg, which Queen Elsa has offered to help us open. So I can't wait, and neither can she. But before we do that, if you are watching this video and you're not a subscriber, make sure to hit that subscribe button or Queen Elsa's gonna come get you. Oh no! We are trying to reach 500 subscribers by Valentine's Day, and we're getting so close. So I can't wait to do our big 500 surprise video. So thank you for everyone who has subscribed, and those who haven't, go and click that button. Come on. You can do it. Queen Elsa, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, click. Okay, Elsa, I think it's time we open up these eggs, or our baggie. What do you think? Let's start with, pick one. This one. Okay, we'll start with that one. Uh-oh. These things don't stand very well. Okay. It's Kristoff. This guy looks so... He doesn't wiggle at all. But it definitely looks like Kristoff. He doesn't look very happy, does he? And he's holding his hat. That's awesome. His shoes are very pointy. Well, that's our first one. We got Kristoff. Yay, that's awesome. Yeah, see, this is what I felt. This little plastic thing. Okay, Elsa, which one do you want to do next? I think the one behind me. Okay, we'll do this one. You had Anna's head popping out from behind your shoulder. Who is it? 1, 2, 3. Olaf! Yay! It only took 2 bags to get Olaf. Yay! Now we have another Olaf. I'm gonna stick him right on top of our egg. Yay! I'm so excited we got an Olaf. I wonder if we're gonna get in this one. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Another Kristoff. We got doubles. Oh, I was hoping we'd get another Elsa, but that's okay. We have 2 Kristoffs and an Olaf. I'm excited we got Olaf. Now, Olaf, you gotta get off the egg. We gotta open it. Elsa, can you help me here? Oops, you knocked him over. That's okay. Okay, Olaf. Time. Stop falling down. Time for our giant surprise egg. Look, it has a little snowflake on it. Here, Elsa can hold the snowflake. F-R-O-Z-E and Frozen. Oh, I just dropped it. Frozen! Okay, big surprise egg. Elsa, you're supposed to be helping with this, silly. Okay, ready? She's so good at this. Here, I'll help you out with the rest. But thank you for helping us, Elsa. A lot of Play-Doh. Uh-oh, we're having a tape issue. There we go. Oh, there's more. Elsa, you did such a good job of keeping our surprise in our egg. Okay, no more tape. Are you ready to see what's in it? Ready? 1, 2. Another surprise egg baggie. So we have a surprise in a surprise. Let's check out what's in this bag. I hope we get an Elsa or an Anna. Ready? Yay, we got an Anna! And her dress looks wonderful. Now we have an Elsa and an Anna. Well, that's all of our surprise baggies and our giant surprise egg. I had so much fun opening those, and I'm so excited we got a little Olaf. Yay, Olaf! It's been so long since we've had an Olaf. I think the last Olaf we had was in one of our other Frozen sets. I think it was her light up castle. But yay for Frozen, yay! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like this video below and subscribe. If you would like another fun video, click one of the videos you see here. Or for a surprise video, click the question mark. Okay guys, see you next time.